Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a curly hair with a closure. So this is my hair bundle, my 12 inches hair bundle, and the closure I ventilated myself. We'll leave the link in the description box for you to learn how to ventilate your own closure. To begin with, I just fixed my dome cap on my dummy head. After doing that, I took my lace closure I ventilated myself and laid it on the dome cap. That's the middle side of the dome cap. After doing that, you need to sew your lace closure on the dome cap really well to hold it firm. Almost done sewing my lace closure. After sewing the lace closure, you need to hold it with something to hold it together. Then take your hair bundle, detangle it really well since it's a curly hair. Then pin it at the, you start sewing from the back actually. So you pin it from the back like how I'm doing it. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. The comment might be probably a hair you like me to do a tutorial on for you. And also share my video. Share this video to your friends that might be interested. So I think what I'm doing is self-explanatory. I don't need to add a voice to it for you to understand what I'm doing, since you can boldly see what I'm doing, and then you can easily learn from the visuals that I'm showing you. I'm almost done sewing this week, currently on the last strap. That is the part where I sew the lace closure on the dome cap. This is one of the important things you need to do. This is done in order to hide the sewing tracks on the lace closure to the dome cap. Finally done with the sewing. Now I have to comb this hair. to comb it before laying the lace closure on it. When combing this hair, I use a detangling brush and sprinkled a little bit of water to the hair to make it easy to comb, and also added my hair gel to it. That's the curl keeper, the Glotion curl keeper. So this is my final look. This is what I got. The hair is looking really nice, but I need to trim some excess ends to make it even. This is my curly hair wig, my closure curly hair wig. Look at the curls, it's really popping out. Hope this video was helpful. If not subscribed, kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up and also share. And don't forget, I'll be leaving the video of how to ventilate your own lace closure. As I said earlier on, I did this lace closure myself, so we'll be leaving the link in the description box for you to learn how to do it. Thank you.